Have you ever felt overwhelmed trying to juggle multiple tools for your business only to find yourself more disorganized than ever? Today, I'll show you a few ways to combine tools into one seamless productivity stack. That way, you'll save time, reduce stress, and get more done. By the end of the video, you're going to know how to integrate these tools into a workflow, have some real world examples that how they fit together, and simple tips to stay organized and avoid information overload. So let's get started simplifying your system so you can focus on what matters most, getting things done. Number one tool, ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity hub. Think of it as like the central command center for everything: projects, tasks, calendars, and workflows. Here's how I use ClickUp in my stack: content planning. I organize all my YouTube video ideas, social media outlines, and due dates in one space. I have a dashboard. I create a view that shows my priorities, to-do lists, and a calendar at a glance. Visual workflows. I use the ClickUp board view, so I don't need Trello. That makes it easily to drag and drop functionality to use for visuals. ClickUp connects seamlessly to Google Calendar, Todoist, and that creates a hub that ties my business together. Next tool, Google Calendar. That's your time management tool. The second tool, this is a go-to tool for time blocking and managing in my schedule. And I use ClickUp and Google Calendar together to plan out my tasks and projects in ClickUp and then sync them together in Google Calendar. So I get all the due dates, the reminders, all the events appear in my calendar automatically. Sometimes I even use Google Calendar for time blocking. I schedule the focused time for my big tasks and meetings, ensuring every priority from ClickUp has a slot on my calendar. Number three, Todoist. It's the task management tool for on the go. This task manager helps stay productive wherever I go. I use this tool to connect Todoist to ClickUp and Google Calendar. I catch the quick tasks in Todoist while I'm on the go. Later, I add those tasks to ClickUp so they fit into my larger projects. Any tasks with deadlines sync automatically with Google Calendar, so I never miss anything important. And the Todoist mobile app is perfect for task capturing. It's almost like a little notepad. Same thing in ClickUp. Tool number four, we're back to ClickUp. It's for visual project management, as in my workflows. One of the reasons I love ClickUp is that it also replaces tools like Trello for visual project management. I get a board view in ClickUp that allows me to organize my workflows with simple drag and drop cards. An example, content creation. I set up a board view in ClickUp and I have columns like scripting, ideas, filming, editing, published. And then I can drag each task to the stage as it progresses, and I see where I am at all times. I link ClickUp tasks to related documents and resources so that I can access everything without tool hopping all over the place. The next tool is Zapier, and it's like the automation glue for everything. Tools that don't naturally play together usually need a little help, and that's Zapier. It'll save you time and mental energy by linking these tools. When I add a new video idea in ClickUp, Zapier can automatically create a task in Todoist with the same details. When I complete a task in Todoist, Zapier updates the task status in ClickUp. This ensures everything stays in sync without any manual effort. So start small with automations. It can be scary, like syncing due dates and reminders, and then gradually build up to the more complex zaps as you go. Now, for avoiding information overload, 3 tips. Now, having that stack is great, but too many notifications or redundant tools can just be overwhelming. Here's how to avoid that. Keep it focused. Use your ClickUp Hub, your calendar, and task capture for your automation. And don't add any other unnecessary tools. Review everything weekly. Review your ClickUp, your task, make sure you're on schedule. And your priorities are focused. And then update your dashboard and make sure you clear off completed tasks and keep your system fresh and organized. Let's quickly recap. Just click up is your hub for everything, including visual workflows. Google Calendar manages your time and schedules Todoist to keep productivity on the go. Zapier automates and connects everything seamlessly. Just by combining these tools into one productivity stack, you'll have a clear, streamlined system that saves you time and keeps the overwhelm at bay. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you'd like a full tutorial on even setting up ClickUp as your productivity hub, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out, because we're going to be doing that pretty soon. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got the tools. Now let's build a system to reinvent yourself and your business. I'll see you in the next video.